Welcome to a journey where creativity meets sustainability, transcending the boundaries of traditional decor design. In From Scrap to Splendor, designing sophisticated decor with undervalued resources, we explore how seemingly worthless materials can transform into exquisite pieces that elevate any space. In an age where sustainability is more than just a trend, it has become a lifestyle choice. This project emphasizes the beauty and potential inherent in materials often overlooked or discarded. By embracing these undervalued resources, we not only create stunning decor, but also contribute to a more sustainable future. As we delve into various techniques and inspiration for designing sophisticated decor, we will uncover the remarkable stories behind these materials. Each piece crafted from scrap tells a narrative of transformation, resilience, and renewed purpose. Whether reusing aging wood, repurposing metal scraps, or breathing new life into old textiles, the possibilities are endless. Join us in celebrating the artistry of transforming the mundane into the magnificent as we redefine luxury decor through an eco-conscious lens. Together, we'll inspire a creative approach to interior design that prioritizes both beauty and responsibility, inviting you to rethink what luxury really means. In today's world, the concept of luxury is evolving. Traditional standards are being challenged as more individuals embrace sustainability and the beauty of imperfection. The design community is witnessing a profound shift toward incorporating undervalued resources, paving the way for innovative practices that articulate a new narrative in luxury decor. This movement not only champions environmental consciousness, but also celebrates the unique histories embedded in reclaimed materials, emphasizing their extraordinary potential to contribute to sophisticated design. Undervalued resources come from various sources, including old furniture, construction sites, thrift shops, and even nature itself. These materials often possess distinctive characteristics that mass-produced items lack. For example, reclaimed wood carries the stories of its past, with its unique grain patterns and weathered textures. When integrated wisely into decor, these elements add depth and personality to spaces, creating an ambience that feels lived in and genuinely inviting. Understanding the variety of these materials opens up a world of possibilities for imaginative design. At the heart of the journey from scrap to splendor lies the art of upcycling, a process that transforms discarded items into something of greater value. Upcycling not only reduces waste, but also empowers designers and DIY enthusiasts to think outside the box. By reimagining what an object can become, the creator can channel their creativity into crafting sophisticated decor that tells a story. Projects range from turning old crates into chic coffee tables to converting vintage doors into stunning headboards, breathing new life into items that would otherwise be forgotten. Turning to nature for inspiration can also yield remarkable results. Natural materials, often perceived as undervalued in the fast-paced world of decor, can add organic beauty and warmth to a space. Stone, driftwood, and even sea glass are excellent choices that can enhance the aesthetic appeal of a design. By thoughtfully incorporating these elements, one can achieve an authentic, earthy elegance that stands in contrast to the sleek, synthetic materials typically associated with luxury. This connection to nature not only elevates decor but fosters a calming environment conducive to relaxation and well-being. When designing with undervalued resources, color and texture play pivotal roles in ensuring the decor feels luxurious and sophisticated. The rich, nuanced hues found in aged materials can serve as a stunning backdrop for more contemporary elements, creating an engaging dialogue between old and new. Texture also becomes essential. Combining different textures can evoke a sense of richness that invites touch. Layering smooth, polished surfaces with rustic, weathered finishes can achieve a beautiful contrast that brings depth to any space. Creating a cohesive aesthetic while using undervalued materials requires careful consideration. It's essential to maintain harmony in design, balancing the eclectic nature of reclaimed items with a cohesive vision of the interior space. Whether it's through a consistent color palette or thematic elements, establishing unity ensures that the decor feels intentional rather than haphazard. Designers often employ a focal point, such as a standout piece crafted from scrap, to anchor the room, guiding the eye and enhancing the overall design narrative. One of the most compelling aspects of designing with undervalued resources is the ability to embrace personal narratives. Each piece has its own story, and when curated thoughtfully, these stories can intertwine to create a rich tapestry of meaning within a space. Choosing items that resonate personally or remind us of cherished memories can evoke powerful emotions and transform a house into a home. This emotional connection adds a unique layer of sophistication to the decor, making it feel authentic and deeply personal. Incorporating undervalued resources aligns perfectly with sustainable practices in decor production. Many manufacturers and artisans are now championing eco-friendly practices, from sourcing sustainable materials to adopting zero-waste policies. By choosing to work with reclaimed materials, designers not only reduce the environmental impact associated with new production, but also promote a culture of responsibility and stewardship towards the planet. This commitment to sustainability makes the produced decor not only beautiful but also ethically sound, resonating with the modern consumer's values. The DIY culture has surged in popularity as individuals seek to create unique, personalized living spaces. This movement encourages creativity and resourcefulness, empowering people to design their own decor using undervalued materials. The sense of accomplishment that comes from crafting something beautiful and functional from seemingly useless items fosters a deep connection to one's living environment. DIY projects can also serve as a therapeutic outlet, providing a sense of purpose and fulfillment through the process of creation. Thank you for watching. We appreciate you joining us on this journey from scrap to splendor, exploring how undervalued resources can transform into sophisticated decor. Your support means the world to us. If you enjoyed this content, please take a moment to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring ideas and tips. Don't forget to like and share this video with friends and family who might be interested in sustainable design. Together, we can spread the word about the beauty and potential of repurposed materials and encourage a more eco-conscious approach to decorating. Thank you once again, and we look forward to seeing you in our next adventure.